Hi guys, it's Eric from Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering in beautiful downtown Warren. I want to show you this brand new in my showroom commercial carpet, a whole line of Aladdin commercial carpet from Mohawk. Look at this stuff, all these colors, all these styles. There's cut piles, there's loops, there's textured loops, there's graphic loops, it's nylon, it's olefin, it's everything you could want. All kinds of really cool patterns, carpet tile as well as broadloom. It's beautiful, it's made great, it's stain proof, comes in all kinds of colors and designs. You don't have to just use this in a commercial environment either. This can all be used in your home if you have a family room or a rec room, a playroom in the basement. This stuff's perfect, it's easy to install too, and it ships quick. Most of it's in stock. Great design, great color, great quality, and awesome prices. Check us out at satollicarpet.com.